Today's Tuesday Quick Tip will demystify pruning shears so that you can choose the right pruner to buy and the right pruner for the task at hand. Hi, I'm Mitch, a University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener. Us gardeners know pruning is a necessary task, and the right pruner makes those tasks even easier. Good tools are expensive, but high-quality tools are worth the money and will outlast a low-quality tool. And not everyone wants to buy two different pruners, so let's take a look at when to use what tool. Hand pruners cut branches up to 3/4 of an inch. Anything larger, you'll probably need a more substantial tool, from a lopping shear to a chainsaw. The two types of hand pruners are the Anvil and bypass. The Anvil pruner has one sharp blade, the top blade, that cuts through the plant tissue against the bottom, which is a flat blade, kind of like a knife on a cutting board. Anvil pruners work best on dry and dead branches. They will tend to crush softer, greener branches. Bypass pruners have two sharp blades that pass the other to make a cut, like how scissors work. You use the bypass pruner on soft green tree branches and plant stems. Sharp bypass pruners make clean cuts and can make a much closer cut than the Anvil pruner. Bypass pruners are much more popular, and if you have to make just one pruner choice, make it a bypass. And no matter which pruner you use, routine maintenance is so important. After every use, you want to make sure you clean it. You want to make sure all that sap and resin is all removed from the blades. Keep those blades sharp and oil all of those moving parts. We did a Tuesday tip on everything tool maintenance, and you can find that link in the Show More section below. So to recap, you want just one hand pruner? A bypass pruner is going to be your best choice. Just remember, buy the highest quality tool your budget allows. Buying just one high quality bypass pruner over two lesser quality tools will serve you well. Drop us a comment below on your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you in the garden.